Thank you for joining us today here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. There is currently a hailstorm on its way to our city. For anyone who does not know what hail is, it is precipitation in thunderstorms that is carried to cold places in the atmosphere and freezes into ice, then falls to the ground as a storm. It can be compared to sleet, but it is bigger. To be classified as hail, the ice pellets must be at least 5 millimeters wide. Hail is formed in a cumulonimbus cloud, which is a fluffy white cloud that can form anywhere above 200 meters into the sky. They bring all sorts of storms, of course, including hailstorms.
There are many conditions needed for a hailstorm. A cold front is shown stretching northwest of Cheyenne. The cold front will bring in cooler air and send out the warmer air that is currently in Cheyenne. There is also a high-pressure system west of Cheyenne that will move in with the cold front. A high humidity is also needed so that there are water droplets in the air for the formation of the hail. The wind speeds determine the size of the hail. Speeds around 35 miles per hour can create dime-sized hail, while wind speeds around 100 miles per hour can create baseball-sized hail.
These storms are measured from a range of H0 to H10. H0 is considered to be an easy storm with tiny hail up to 5 millimeters wide and no damage. H10 storms can have hail over 100 millimeters wide, with major damage to homes and cars and even cause fatalities.
Early signs of hailstorms include sudden drop in temperature, dark gray clouds, thunder, and lightning. During the storm, you can expect the hail period to last 5 to 10 minutes, but the actual storm could last longer. After the storm passes, be aware that the roads could be slick due to the hail collection, and some areas could be flooded. There are many precautions you should take when hail starts. Go inside your house or find the nearest shelter, and don't come out till the storm ends. While in the shelter, make sure to stay away from windows because the hail can cause them to break. If you're in your car, try to park under a shelter if possible. To prevent car windows from breaking, cover them with heavy blankets. Stay in your car with your back to the windows to shield yourself from broken glass. Since hail is common in our area, you can protect your house by installing impact-resistant shingles and storm shutters on your windows. The biggest dangers with hailstorms include broken windows, damaged shingles, dents in cars, damage to crops, and hail pelts on skin. If the hail size is very large, they can also cause holes in roofs and even head trauma.
One of the most major hailstorms took place in Argentina on October 25, 2017. The hailstorm came through with 5 feet of hail in 15 minutes. Homes and cars were buried and damaged with hail the size of tennis balls. Roads had to be closed because there wasn't room for cars to drive. We can only hope that this storm is not as bad.
Thank you for joining us today. Remember, keep yourself safe during the hailstorm.